Hello viewer, welcome to Waistcoat Cutting. 4 button at center front. The measurement length 22 inch, bust chest 36 inch, waist 32 inch, hips 34 inch, shoulder to shoulder 16 inch, across back width 15 inch, across front 14 inch. Here I start waistcoat back part cutting. Shoulder line. Here I draw center back line. Here I make half neck with 3 inch, 3/4 inch half mark for neck, center back neck deep. Here I make center back 3/8 seam margin, 9 inch armhole deep and chest position, waist position 15 inch, length 22 inch, 1 inch plus and 2 inch seam margin, armhole line, waist line, hip line, 2 inch seam margin, 4 inch back bottom panel. Here 1/4 inch in mark, 3/8 seam margin, center back line. Here I make shoulder 16 inch, half 8 inch, and half inch seam margin, 1 inch back shoulder slope, back shoulder line. Here I make chest 36 divided by 4, 9 inch, and 4 inch loose divided by 4, 1 inch, and half inch seam margin. Here I make back waist dart, half inch dart deep, 12 inch back dart position from HPS, back dart, back waist dart. Here I make waist 32 divided by 4, 8 inch, 1 inch loose and half inch seam margin. Here I make hip 34 divided by 4, 8.5 inch, 1 inch loose and half inch seam margin. Here I make center back extension 1 inch, 3/8 seam margin. 1 button, 2 button, 3 button. Here 1 inch seam margin before I added with total length. Create seam margin. Here I make across back with 15 inch, half 7.5 inch and half inch seam margin. Back armhole line, 3/8 seam margin. Waistcoat back part drawing finish. Now I start cutting. Back bottom part. Here I 1 inch less at center back. Waistcoat back part cutting finish. 2 part back bottom 2 part. Now here I mark drawing and marking front part, center front line. Here I make for half neck width, and here I make shoulder 15 inch, half 7.5 half inch seam margin, 1 3/4 inch front shoulder slope, front shoulder line, 9 inch armhole and chest lines, armhole deep, 9 inch armhole deep, waist 15 inch, length 22 inch, chest armhole line, waist line, hip line. Here I make front chest 36 divided by 4, 9 inch, 1 inch loose, half inch seam margin. Waist 32 divided by 4, 8 inch and 3/4 that deep and 1 inch loose, half inch seam margin. Hip 34 divided by 4, 8.5 inch, 1 inch loose, half inch seam margin. Here I make across front 14 inch, half 7 inch, half inch seam margin. Front armhole line, at center front, 3/4 inch button overlap, front waist dart line, first button position from bottom 2 inch, second button, third button, fourth button. Half inch center front, break point 1 inch less, same as the back. Center front line, V neckline. Here I added half inch seam margin, center front and bottom. Waistcoat front part drawing finish. Now I start here cutting. Waistcoat 2 front part, 1 part, 2 part, left and right, and back 2 part, left and right. Back bottom panel 2 part, left and right. Thanks for watching. Like and share on my video.